Hello, I'm Jambi and I'm here to teach you about nagios. Nagios is essentially a tool for system monitoring to check if other machines and services inside it work properly. So you could connect several servers like a database server, uh, an EC2 server, so you could monitor whether these services are working. And aside from that, you'd also add services like Apache or MySQL or PHP, so you could monitor if those services are running. So you don't have to check one by one, go to the console of each and every server to actually examine which services are down, for instance. It also offers a notification service to send to relevant people in case a service or a server goes down. So let us begin by showing our EC2 instance. So I've launched here two instances. This is the one that we would use. So we would get the public IP, and we would here's our command line. So we would go to the directory where the PEM file is. So if you don't know what a PEM file is, or you don't know how to launch an EC2 instance, you just check my. So yeah. So oops. So now let's launch. So SSH dash I. Wait, so wait, let me get that. So SSH. So SSH dash I and our IP, which is 54.169.209.72. Oh, wait. So okay. So we would okay. So let's try that again. Should be up and running. Okay, so it usually takes a while to initialize on Ubuntu server. If you are accessing it for the first time, we're bound to hit some delays. So this is the first access delay we've been through. So just wait a few minutes, few seconds. Okay, so I think there's a problem with the security groups. So let's see that. Let's see. It's a Jambi Press server is inbound. So let's edit that and add a rule. So my IP is 112. So it's not included in the list of custom IPs that are included. So let's include our IP and save. So now it should be accessible. There. So it is accessible. So yeah. So version denied. So let's see. So we have the wrong public key. What is that? Okay, so let's search permission denied public key. Yes. Oh, okay. So we haven't added the Ubuntu. So now we should be able to access the server. It's easy. There. So we're in the server. So let's start setting up the services. Like, so able to use Nagios, we would want a server that has the LAMP stack. We already have Linux with Ubuntu, so we're gonna install Apache and MySQL and PHP. So those are the services we will monitor in the second video. So this is for Apache. So sudo apt-get update. So it's a while, takes a while. Okay, so it should be done and so the next is sudo apt-get install Apache. Yes. Okay. And sudo service Apache to start, which starts the Apache server. Then let's install MySQL with sudo apt-get install MySQL server PHP 5. MySQL. So there's the command, so you don't miss it. And yes, you want to install that. The root user I will use for this tutorial is, well, Jambi. No, it's a password. So the password would be Jambi. Okay. Then repeat password Jambi. Then installing. Okay. Then we install the database. So the command is, let me paste the command for you. Where is it? There. The command is sudo mysql underscore install underscore db. And the next is sudo mysql secure installation. This makes the MySQL installation stronger to several options. So the current password is Jambi. So changing with password, no, just press enter several times. No, okay. Okay, so change the password. So say Jambi and re-enter Jambi. So remove anonymous users, just press enter several times so it will be on the default. But if you want to change settings, you could freely do so. So for me, I'll just press enter because this is just a test. So the next is the PHP. So we're gonna install the dependencies. Sudo apt-get install PHP 5 live apache 2 mod PHP 5 PHP 5 my okay, so that's it, I guess. Then yes, let's install that. And it's setting up, we're starting Apache server and okay, so yeah, so install. The next we configure a file called dirconf. So sudo nano is a text editor /etc /apache 2 /mods enabled. So dir.conf. This is a configuration file of the Apache server. So we want this to include PHP. So there, so you could see several files. So we want PHP to be the first to be read. So we're gonna put index PHP in the front. And that's it for this step. Index.php. And use Control X and yes. Oops, okay. And we save that. Then just restart the server, sudo service apache 2 restart. Starting the web server, and let's open a blank file so we could demo to you that we could create we could make the server display a PHP file. So let's create a server a folder html/info.php. Okay, that's correct. So it's a blank file. So let's see. Okay, so PHP. So this is usual PHP syntax. This will display the info of PHP, and let's close the PHP and let's finish by Control X, save. Yes, and okay. So save and close the file. So let's demo that it's actually working. So let's restart Apache and let's use the IP of this. So the IP is 54.169.209.17 slash info.php. The info.php that we created earlier. So you should see this as displaying a PHP file, a series of tables. Yeah. Okay, so why is it not displaying? Let's see. Well, all ports are allowed. Yes. Did we get the right one? Let's see. Let's go to the instances. EC2 dashboard instances. Did we get the right server? So this should be it. So 54.77. There. So info.php. So we just had a wrong IP address. So that's how to set up the LAMP stack. So see you in the next tutorial, the next part of this tutorial to actually install nagios.